of the following statement is are correct? I will tell you a method. If you will clear that method in your mind, then you will answer this question without pen and paper. You have to keep remind that a plus b. In your previous class, you have studied about a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Same concept is following here. I am taking statement number first. I am taking statement number first. First statement. What it is? It is root 11 plus root 17. Sorry, root 7. If I square both side, I am squaring here, and root 10 plus root 8. I am also squaring here. I will compare these two numbers. See, a square root 11 square is 11 plus 7 plus twice of ab means 2 root 77. Here we have again we have 10 plus 8 or plus 2 root 80. 2 root 80, because you have to keep one thing in your mind, that root a into root b is equal to root ab. There are some properties of surds root ab. See, here it is 18 plus twice of root 77. Here 18 plus twice of root 18. Root 80. Guys, how you will compare? Since 18 and 18 both are same on either left side or right side, 18 and 18 is there, so this can be compared on the base. So 2 and 2 same here, so this can be compared on 77 or 80, means 77 is smaller to 80, so this term is smaller, so this term is smaller. So statement 1 is correct. So how you will do it in your examination? See, first of all, add them. 11 plus 7 18, 10 plus 8 18, means sum is equal. Then multiply them. 11 7 ja 77, 10 8 ja 80. 77 is lesser to 80, that's why this is correct. See, 17 plus 11 is 28, 15 plus 3 is 28. If I multiply it, see, 17 into 11 is 187. It is 187, and here it is 195. 195. Root AB na, root AB. 11 7 just 77, 11 1 just 11 plus 7 18. So 187 is smaller to this, so this is a incorrect statement. So only first will be your answer. So this one is the trick to solve this question. First of all, a plus b is equal, here 11 plus 7 18, 18 here, then root ab will be compared. Here is 11 7 just 77, and here 80, and it is smaller, so this is correct, and this is also smaller, this one is incorrect. Next, same question. See, 13 and 11 is 24, and 17 and 7 is 24. So 13 into 11 is 143. Here we have 143 on statement first, and then we have 17 7 ja 119. 119 means this one is greater than this, so the sign is same, so this one is correct. This one is the statement first. What is the statement 2? The statement 2 says that 17 plus 19, 36 and 36. So we have to multiply them. 17 into 19. 17 9 ja 153. Carry 15. 17 1 ja 17 plus 15 32. It is 323. Now 21 5 ja 105. 21 1 ja 21 plus 10 31. So this number is bigger. Here signs are different. So statement 2 is incorrect. So only one is the answer. Next. Which is the greatest among? I will tell you a trick to solve these type of questions. See, take any of them. If I take this one, see, root 17, I am taking root 17 minus root 14. So what I am doing here, I am multiplying numerator and denominator with the conjugate of this number. Conjugate means opposite in sign. Opposite in sign. So what will be the conjugate of this number? Because from there you will know the basic and concept of this question. This one is the conjugate of that number. So we will get a trick from here, and you need not to solve each and every expression. Just we have to follow a simple technique. So in the denominator what we have? In the denominator what we have? Root 17 plus root 14. All of you are aware of that a minus b, that a minus b a plus b is nothing but it is a square plus b square. A square minus b square, class ninth standard identity or class 7th standard identity. Root 17 minus root 14, a minus b, a plus b means a square minus b square. Root 17 is square, 17 minus 14, so we get 13 here. And in the denominator what we have? What we have? We have root 17 plus root 14. See, what is 3? 3 is the difference between these two surds. Here the difference between these two surds is 3. 4 is nothing but root 16. The difference between these two surds is 3. The difference between these two surds is 3. The difference between these two surds is also 3. So here the difference between all these surds are 3. So 3 will come on the numerator side of all the of these surds. So what will be the answer? See, if I add these, if I add this, then I will get a huge number in the denominator. I will get the huge number in the denominator. See, if I add them, see, root 17 and root 14 value is more than root 13 plus root 10. Got it? Because this number and this number is larger to this number and this number if I take plus sign in between, because I can write this number as 3 upon root 19 plus root 16. I can write this number as 3 upon root 22 plus root 19. I can write this number as I can write this number as 3 upon root 13 plus root 10, because there is a sign of plus between. I have to tell you the greatest number. See, if the numerator is same, if the numerator is same, say we have numerator 3 here and we have numerator 3 here. And if I have 5 here and I have 4 here and I have 4 here. So the number will be bigger. Which one? Whose denominator is lesser? If the numerator is same, if the numerator is same and the denominator is small, then the number will be the greatest. Whose denominator is smaller will be the greatest number. Here the smaller denominator is here, so since this number will be the greatest. See, now listen me carefully. If there is a minus sign in between, first of all, if there is a minus sign in between and the difference between the integral value of these surds is equal, then the number will be the greatest whose sum of the surds will be least. Here the sum of the surds is 23. Here sum of the surds is 31. Here sum is 31. Here sum is nothing but 19 plus 16, that is 35. Here the sum is 38. Not 38, 41. So if we want to tell you the smallest surds, and greatest will be that surd whose denominator will be least. So here least is this. So option number what? So this one is the least. So this one, the sum of this surd, the value of 13 plus 10 means the sum of this surd is 23. So this one will be the greatest surds. Root 13, as you know, the reason behind it. And what will be the smallest? Whose denominator is greatest? Whose denominator is greatest? If the numerator is same, and whose denominator is greatest will be the least surds. So here the sum is maximum, so root 22. So we have completed two questions in a single question. I think you got the concept.